A research indicates that India can benefit considerably on multiple fronts such as nutritional security, energy consumption, and water shortage, and even cut its greenhouse gas emissions if it promotes the cultivation of less water-consuming and nutritious crops such as finger millet, pearl millet, and sorghum. With the majority of the malnourished population in the world and receding groundwater level, India needs to adopt sustainable agriculture methods that can improve the food shortage and contribute to water conservation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steamdaily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribing out YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.